About 10 years ago, this is our 16th year in business, and we were really specifically looking for the space. Fell in love with it. We're able to sort of build our dream kitchen and our dream seating, which was this big counter, chef's counter area. But it also meant that we had to do some things to accommodate my dream, which was how we built the kitchen. And the number one thing really was that the center of the kitchen was going to be our induction stove, which is really different than most kitchens, which sort of run on gas. Well, in terms of the kitchen, what makes it so different is it actually keeps the kitchen really cool. There isn't this heat coming off the stove constantly all day. When the stove isn't on, there is no heat coming from it. Even when the stove is on, there's very, very little heat coming from it. Whereas in a sort of gas-run kitchen, the stove, even if it's not on, is basically always on all day. Those pilot lights are going. It's always adding to the temperature in the kitchen, which means for us, we couldn't have that because of the open kitchen, and we wanted to be able to keep our dining room somewhat cool. Customers are not very happy when they're too hot. I've learned that over the years. The number one question we get from cooks or other chef friends is, don't you miss gas? And my answer is always like, well, no, I haven't really cooked on it in a really long time, but no, I just find this makes our life so much easier. It's so efficient.